Hi vlog.
We're at the beach. It's a beautiful day. We just
really nice out.
Hop in to say what's up. Me and Anna had a nice weekend together.
Pool yesterday, beach today.
And we're probably gonna get in the water soon, so
yeah.
We'll update you guys when we go do that. Okay,
hey
okay vlog, we just started.
We are
burying her.
I even have a nice little headrest. Oh, yeah.
I will update you more when we're finished. Hi vlog. So this is our progress. You see my tail? It looks pretty freaking good. Done by your favorite Nicole. Where? Oh my god, it's a drone! I'm gonna try to zoom. I don't know if I'm zooming in on it. Am I getting it? Who knows? That thing is very high. So this is what a vlogger feels like. Very awkward. But yeah, I'll give you guys a view from there. She is. I mean, my tail's pretty good, just like right there. Just erase her just like that. There she goes. There's
snack break. What you eating?
A red delicious apple.
Those are the best kind. Look how pretty it is. And it's like February too. And there's so much sand on me.
I've got a hair in my mouth. Oof.
Okay, we're gonna go jumping after she finishes her apple. Well, vlog, you sure missed a lot. So, Nicole and I were just chilling in the water, jumping the waves, you know, like we normally do. And then she just starts going up. And I'm like, what are you doing? Are you leaving me? Like, was the wave too big? But no. She just gives me this look, and then I scream, and I'm like, you saw a shark, didn't you? And she didn't tell me anything. We just start sprinting up, and like we just got back as we were out of breath. And I've never like ran faster in my life. And it's so hard to go through ginormous waves. Like, there's so many surfers out there today. And
well, you see, I think I saw 3 little things with fins. Could have been a little mono. I don't know if it was a shark. Sharks aren't the only ones with fins, but
it could have been a cute little dolphin.
Yeah, it could have been a cute little dolphin. They didn't bother us though.
We'll never know. It also could have been nothing because 99% of the time it's nothing, but
yeah. It feels amazing.
Yeah, it feels really good. The water was really cold at first, and then we went in and it felt really good. So yeah, that's just our little common fishes caught in the remote ghost.
Let's see, what one did I see in the water? Ba-bang!
Yeah, that's the one we almost got attacked by.
Atlanta. This is an Atlanta shark.
Wow. I think I saw that one.
I've seen those before.
Yeah.
Oh, I see striped mullet a lot. They're harmless.
There's like little fish that just sit at the bottom and you step on them, and it's the cutest thing.
And they eat your feet.
Yeah.
They're really cute.
It's like that fish pedicure. So this is the beach we're at. It's really pretty. The cloud went behind the sun. The sun went behind the cloud, so it's kind of cold. So we're coming over to the restaurant to get a snow cone. So that sounds really nice. Yeah, it got cold, so we're going to get snow cones. Don't question our logic. So, the snow cones don't come until March.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Because what? I thought somebody was screaming at us, but it's just these people talking obnoxiously loud, riding on their bikes. Get the vlog, or get that on the vlog.
Those were the people that Nicole thought was screaming at us.
Yeah, they just talk really loud, but...
Isn't Dairy Queen down here? Dairy Queen's so good.
Is it down here?
No, I think it's down further.
Yeah, it's back. It's back.
Dang. Yeah, so
like,
city...
just walk in, and then the sidewalk in.
City Council, why does the sidewalk just randomly end here?
I don't know, that's whack.
That is a safety hazard.
This is the street you turn on right here where this white one is.
We're trying to find the pool in this random neighborhood that neither of us live in.
Yep.
But the hot tub sounds so nice.
Oh my god, wait, it's right up there. Where that blue top is.
We found it. Look how cute
update. We are just in the hot tub and there's a freaking little cute squirrel eating a nut.
Do you guys see it? It's so cute.
I know, it's so cute.
It's just chilling. But we got to the pool here in the hot tub.
And it was tragic, and I never want to come here again.
It wasn't tragic.
Hi,
Hey vlog, we're just all over the place today.
Yep, wow.
So we're going to get small cakes, and then probably gonna go back to the pool, because once again, how ironic is that? Get cupcakes in the pool. But it's alright. You guys, it's closed. Why is everything we want closed? This is so unfortunate.
Wait,
We might as well.
We could maybe get a protein bar from in here.
Oh no.
Well, I have. It's good.
Papa John's. We could get pizza and ice cream and be extra healthy.
I mean, do you actually want pizza? That would be better dinner.
Can we get ice cream first?
Yeah, sure. We can get ice cream.
Papa John's is really good. Yeah, so you know,
I didn't even know there was Papa John's.
sums
here.
up the story. Everything happens for a reason, and this led to an even better result than
This
getting.
has just been a beautiful. Me and Anna
Yeah.
have walked a heck of a long way too.
We've walked so we started down there at the beach, and then we walked all the way around in this one big circle. Pretty dang good.
Walked a long way.
Yeah, we're doing good. And there's a puppy. I so think Nicole should get the kids dino.
40 inches tall, get a baby cone.
Ooh, do you reach it? Close.
Hi vlog.
So we just got
Ice cream.
some ice cream at Brewster's. I got a Reese's Blast. What did you
And
get?
I got a dirt cup. And we just ordered a pizza from Papa John's.
Which is right down the
And
road.
we're about to go there next. Pizza from Papa John's.
Which is right down the
And
road.
we're about to go there next.
We got our pizza.
Why do they put a pepper there? I don't really
I'm eating one
understand
slice. I don't know. Do you want pepper?
that. No.
Neither do I. So now we're walking back to the hot tub with our pizza.
It's out.
Yeah, so it's like you never even ate. Not really, because I'm sure that's not equal calorie difference. Hey guys, we're in school. We decided that we'd end the vlog here. It's the next day.
Wow, Anna, me and you look like sisters right now.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Just say it, please. Like. Say like.
Oh, like and subscribe and comment
right.
on her
On our channel.
channel.
Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe.